Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of introducing you to this beautiful Mercedes V-Class. It's a Marcopolo Sport 2.2 diesel. It's only had 2 owners from new. It's very low mileage. It's got absolutely tons of spec, which we're going to walk you around and show you. So the first main point of this Marcopolo, so this is the Mercedes factory built camper, is that this one has a fully electronic roof, which we'll show you now. So you simply push a button and the roof will rise electronically. Just takes out any of the stress or faff of a manually operated roof. So you can see the roof's going up now. I'll show you the roof in a minute. The roof's absolutely fantastic condition. And there we have it. Roof is fully up. So starting from the front, we can see we have front parking sensors. We also have LED lights as well. LED day running lights, which is Mercedes LED intelligent light system. Finished in silver metallic. Absolutely stunning throughout. So alloy wheels, diamond cut, completely unmarked, all the way around, 18 inches. So we've got this camper currently set up in what we refer to as day mode. So we have our table and chairs out. These fold away in the boot. Nicely stowed away. Really nice finish to them, stainless steel. So if we jump in the van, we can see we've got twin captain seats. We'll have the driver's seat turn around later in the video to show you the front cabin. Full black leather. Nice wooden effect flooring. I love the styling of the Marcopolo myself. Really classy look and feel. So we've got USB ports there as well. Loads of storage on board. I'll just open up a couple cupboards so you can see them. Really nice and deep. Let's move over to the other side so we can see what it's like sitting over here with our fellow passengers. Lovely amount of glass down the sides, so we've got a really good view. We've got a view here at Rayland Car Sales. So we simply open the top there and we've got our twin gas hob burner. On the other side we'll reveal our sink. Nice stainless tap there as well. And we also got the Westphalia fridge, nice and deep, all really well kept and clean. And as I said, ample storage. So let's jump out. We'll take a look around the back while we get this set up for sleeping. You can see we've got lighting on down on the bottom floor there as well at the moment. Just before I do that, I'll just quickly shut that door, just to show you it's fully electronic. There we go. We'll just reopen it now. So we'll get that set up. So we've got rear parking sensors as well as parking camera as well. To the rear, tinted glass. Do excuse the wind there. Nice Marcopolo badging there. As I said, looking down the sides, absolutely stunning condition. Same as the roof, completely unmarked. There's no snags, rips, horrible stains or anything like that whatsoever. There's a rear alloy this side. As I said, they're completely unmarked all the way around. Really nice looking alloy wheel that as well. Look down through, just shut that door a minute. There we go, there's that one. As I said, it's got the LED intelligent lighting system. Front parking sensors. To show you at the top there as well. As I said, the roof's absolutely immaculate. As is the rest of the van. As I said, 2 owners. Really low mileage. Been extremely well cared for. take a look in the front cab in a minute. So, we've jumped in the front here. We can see, we can turn on our radio.
It's a really difficult day, and you might want to be listening to what is said rather than thinking.
We'll just start the van as well. You'll hear some warning noises because the roof is still up, just letting us know the roof is up and we've got the sliding door open. There's no warning lights on the dash whatsoever. We can see it's only covered 23,287 miles. That's 23,287. Just going to turn it off just because obviously we can see we've still got the roof up. It's just letting us know we've got the roof open. So as I said, we also have on here as well, in terms of specification, we've got a satellite navigation, obviously our radio, got our media connectivity as well, and we have Bluetooth telephony, and also we've got various vehicle settings there as well. I'm just going to start it again a moment just to show you that rear reverse camera, which you can see there, really nice and clear. We can also see the bumper there as well. Makes reversing so much easier. We have remote locking with 2 keys. All down here we've got our vehicle management system, so we can see our voltage of our battery, we can control our roof from here as well, and we can also see water levels. Automatic with paddle shift. Got our controls there for hands-free, also the multi-functions as well within the vehicle. Auto lights, heated front seats both sides, 4 electric windows and electric mirrors that are also folding. Just jump in the rear just to show you it all set up for sleeping. So there we have it, downstairs bed is all set up. Got our blinds down as well. We haven't set them all down just so you can see. Also, I didn't show you there, we've got lovely speakers up there as well with a nice Marcopolo design on the gloss black inlay there. And then upstairs, we just simply pull this down, which we have done already. We've got LED lighting up here as well. As I said, really nice and clean up here. Loads of space. So there we go. Beautiful 2-owner Marcopolo. Extremely low mileage. Ready to enjoy. So please feel free, give us a call, 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. You also will notice this vehicle comes with a 12-month free AA breakdown, as we're proud to say we're AA Dealer Promise dealers. As I said, like to make an appointment to view or purchase, give us a call, 01460 312 923. Thanks for watching.